Hello everyone, welcome back to Military Channel. The 9K720 Iskander is a mobile short-range ballistic missile system produced and deployed by the Russian military. The missile systems are to replace the obsolete OTR-21 Tochka systems, still in use by the Russian armed forces, by 2020. The Iskander has several different conventional warheads, including a cluster munitions warhead, a fuel-air explosive enhanced blast warhead, a high explosive fragmentation warhead, an earth penetrator for bunker busting, and an electromagnetic pulse device for anti-radar missions. The missile can also carry nuclear warheads. The Russian Iskander-M travels at a hypersonic speed of Mach 6 and an altitude of 50 kilometers. The Iskander-M weighs 4,615 kilograms, carries a warhead of 710 to 800 kilograms, has a range of 500 kilometers, and achieves a circular error probable (CEP) of 5 to 7 meters, when coupled with optical homing head, 30 to 70 m in autonomous application. Iskander is a tactical missile system designed to be used in theater-level conflicts. It is intended to use conventional or thermonuclear weapon warheads for the engagement of small and area targets, both moving and stationary, such as hostile fire weapons, air and anti-missile defenses, command posts and communications nodes, and troops in concentration areas, among others. The system can therefore destroy both active military units and targets to degrade the enemy's capability to wage war. According to Russian claims, the area of destruction from a single warhead is 25,000 square meters, or about 2 football fields. The Iskander is not a strategic weapon, it's a tactical ballistic missile. During combat operations, it would be used to destroy both stationary and moving targets. Targets would range from surface-to-air missile batteries, enemy short-range missiles, airfields, ports, command and communication centers, factories, and other hardened targets. It's because of the missile's ability to overcome missile defenses that Moscow has placed Iskander-M launchers in Kaliningrad. The weapon affords Russia the ability to use its Baltic exclave to threaten U.S. missile defense installations in Poland and more generally to intimidate its neighbors. It's probably why Russia deployed the weapon to Syria if the reports of the missile's presence are correct. Meanwhile, Russia has not stopped development work on Iskander. Upgrades, new missiles are being developed for the system. This system, the Iskander-M, has a great potential for modernization, which is happening in terms of armaments and missiles in particular. That is, the standard array of missiles is growing and new missiles are being developed. Alexander Dragovolovsky, deputy commander of Russia's missile forces, told state-owned Sputnik in November 2015. During the 2022 Russian invasion of Ukraine, Russia launched several Iskander missiles over their border into Ukraine as part of their assault. Here, these missiles demonstrated a previously unknown capability that employed decoys to confuse air defense systems. It is believed this technology was kept a closely guarded secret and not included on Iskander missiles exported outside of Russia. Anyway, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more updates on awesome videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.